The Crop Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, says it has adopted a series of climate-smart agricultural technologies, including the development of drought-tolerant crop varieties to counter the food production difficulties caused by climate change. This was when a team from the Elon University in North Carolina, USA, visited the Crop Research Institute in Kumasi. GBC was at the event.
Some professors, lecturers and students of the Elon University in North Carolina, USA, were in Ghana as part of their traditional visit for cultural exchange and trading of ideas. For the visitors, it was another opportunity to exchange best practices and familiarize themselves with activities of the institute. Professor Wasim Kasim of the Faculty of History and Geography at the Elon University told GBC News that their visit was primarily to expose their students to the Ghanaian way of life and appreciate the cultural diversity. Through this, synergies could be built to facilitate development.
Our purpose for this class is basically to give our students some kind of global literacy, to sort of see the ways in which local events interact with global events and the ways in which the global also affects the global.
Established in 1964, the Crop Research Institute is the largest of the 13 institutes under the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR of Ghana. The institute's vision is to become a center of excellence for agricultural research, innovation and capacity building for development. Its goals include developing and disseminating appropriate technologies that are demand-driven and acceptable to end users. Senior research scientist with the Crop Research Institute of the CSIR, Dr. Stephen Yabua, presented a paper on advancing sustainable agriculture and climate change research, the role of the CSIR Crop Research Institute. GBC News caught up with him afterwards to explain some of the key issues contained in the paper.
Farmers will need a lot of information regarding the weather of 2024 because being weather smart is the beginning of farming, knowing when the onset will set in, when the cessation, when the rains will start, when the rains will end. This basic information is very significant in making decisions as to which crop, when to cultivate and others.
When we started this, we had a partnership where one of the students even came for 6 months attachment in our institute to study what we are doing here. And I think today has been one of the experiences that they have taken away. And I believe we are discussing further how we can continue this collaboration and how students, there can be exchange programs.
The CSIR Crop Research Institute team, led by a senior research scientist, Dr. Kojo Adofo, took the visitors around the facility, exposing them to their day-to-day activities and the institute's aspirations and challenges. Going round the nurseries, the team demonstrated how they handle the plants and laboratories.